If you like our video, click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses and training materials, visit us at teachucomp.com. To customize your company's payment settings, click the Settings button in the QuickBooks Online toolbar. Then click the Account and Settings link under the Your Company heading in the menu that appears to open the Account and Settings window. Then click the Payments Company Settings category link in the menu at the left side of the window to show the individual settings in that category to the right. The Payments Settings category contains the QuickBooks Payments and Existing Account sections. The buttons in these sections let you create a new account with or connect an existing account to the QuickBooks Payments service. To create a new QuickBooks Payments account to accept credit cards or bank transfer payments through QuickBooks and other methods, click the Learn More button. This opens a window that shows setup and subscription options for the QuickBooks Payment service. Alternatively, to connect an existing payments account with Intuit to your QuickBooks company file, click the Connect button. Note that existing accounts may be known as GoPayment or Merchant Services accounts. To close the Account and Settings window, click the Done button in its lower right corner, or click the X button in its upper right corner. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. Get ad-free courses at teachucomp.com.